Introduction. Partners join inside hand, facing audience. Tap right foot in front in every measures 12 times. Partners hold in closed ballroom dance position. Figure 1. Boy starts in left foot, girl in right foot. Take 4 plain polka steps around clockwise, 4 measures. Point right left foot sideward, count 1 and. Point right left foot close to right left, count 2 and. Take 1 polka step sideward. Point right left foot sideward, count 1 and. Point right left foot close to right left, count 2 and. Take 1 polka step sideward. Repeat all 3 times more, 24 measures. Figure 2. Starting with outside foot, take heel and toe polka steps forward, 4 measures. Starting with outside foot, take 2 polka steps, 2 measures. Drop inside hand. Starting with outside foot, take 2 polka steps to turn about outward in place, 2 measures. Joined inside hands. Repeat all starting with inside foot, 8 measures. Repeat all, 16 measures. Figure 3. Partners hold in closed ballroom position. Starting with right left foot, take 4 polka steps clockwise, 4 measures. Starting with right left foot, take 3 gallop steps sideward toward front, count 1 and 2 and pose, 2 measures. Starting with right left foot, take 3 gallop steps sideward in opposite direction, count 1 and 2 and pose, 2 measure. Repeat all 3 times more, 24 measures. Figure 4. Starting with right foot, take 2 polka steps sideward right and left, 2 measures. Point right foot in front, count 1 and. Raise same foot across left foot in front, count 2 and. Point right foot in front, count 1 and. Step right foot close to left, count 2 and. Repeat all starting with left foot, 4 measures. Starting with right foot, take 8 polka steps counterclockwise, 8 measures. Starting with right foot, take 4 polka steps forward in front, 4 measures. Take 12 polka steps, turning quarterly outward, 12 measures. Saludo, finale. Take 4 polka steps forward, 4 measures. Girl swirls counterclockwise under arc of arms as many times as possible. Boy stands in place, 3 measures. Bow to each other or audience.